In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Notifications and Quick Settings. Now scroll down again to click on Manage All right next to App Notifications. Then select Recent at the top and tap on one of those sorting options. I will go with Sort by Frequency of Notifications. Then use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to switch them back on. If you want to, you can also go back and tap on any app over here. Then tap on this switcher next to Allow Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!